Today's vehicles contain complex electrical systems and components that arguably provide more safety features than the vehicle structure itself. Automotive diagnostics is a process of how we identify issues with vehicle systems, perform repairs, and ensure the functionality of these components. Now, more than ever, it is critical that collision repairers understand the full reach and function of the electronics and electronic control modules that are affected by each repair. At ALLDATA, we understand that this can seem overwhelming, and that's why we work to collect and categorize OEM diagnostic information in a repeatable format so that no matter what manufacturer you require, you'll be able to quickly and accurately complete your research. You can easily find the information you need to inspect, estimate, and properly repair each vehicle within your facility, such as scan tool requirements and positions, DTC code charts and procedures, system wiring diagrams, component location diagrams, component removal, replacement, and reinstall procedures, initialization procedures, as well as static and dynamic calibration requirements and procedures. Complete access to the information you need when you need it to perform complete and accurate automotive diagnostics and estimating in your collision repair center. Want to learn more about ALLDATA Collision? Contact us today.